Good morning students. In previous video we have learned how to calculate highest common factor, that is HCF. Today we are going to learn how to calculate least common multiplier, that is LCM. So see here. First example, find the LCM of 60 and 48. We have seen in previous video how to calculate HCF. Like that way you have to calculate LCM, that is first we have to factorize these both the numbers, that is 60 and 48. So see here. So 60, 2 into 30 which is equal to 2 into 2 into 15 which is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 5s are 60. Now see here, 2 into 24 which is equal to 2 into 2 into 12 which is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 4 which is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24 and 24 into 2, that is 48. Now see here, here 2 occurs a maximum of 4 times. See here, here 2 occurs maximum of 4 times in 48. So here you have to write 2 occurs a maximum of 4 times in 48. Now 3 occurs only once time, that is 3 occurs only once in factor of 60 in 60. Now 5 occurs only once in 60. So these 2 into 2, that is 4, and these 2 into 2, that is 4, both are common. So here LCM is equal to, that is least common multiplier. So 2 into 2, why 2 into 2? Because these 2 into 2 and these 2 into 2 are common in both the numbers. Now into this 3 into this 5 into these 2 into 2. Three is common in both the numbers, so we will get 3 only in once time. So which is equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 5 60, 60 into 2 120 and 120 into 2 240. So LCM of 60 and 48 is 240.